How to fix EALauncher.exe Bad Image error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Updating Windows ensures that your operating system has the latest features, security enhancements, and system files, which can resolve compatibility issues and replace corrupted system files that might be causing the EALauncher.exe Bad Image error. Right-click on the EA app and select Open File Location. Double-click on App Recovery. When prompted, click Clear Cache and follow on-screen instructions.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Link in description.
if that didn't work,
Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.